Today we're featuring a 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe. Alright, it's got 53,000 miles on it. It is a limited edition. Okay, it's willow gray in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Alright, it does have the nice chrome inserts in the door handles. Driver's side's in good shape. It does have a little bit of a ding right here in the body line on the back hatch here. Okay, and it is a limited. Passenger side of the vehicle is in good shape. Everything looks pretty good. On a 2009, it's going to have a little scratch or ding here and there. 53,000 miles on it. Thing's in really good shape. Go ahead and give you a shot of the sunroof with the roof rack up there. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Half beige, half black door panels. Got the nice wood grain trim through here. Infinity audio. Does have the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right. Beige leather, power driver's seat. Driver's seat's in pretty decent shape. Got a nice little rip right here in the leather. Okay, and that's just from getting in and out of it so much. A little wrinkle in the leather right here. Okay, but that's to be expected. It is a power driver's seat. Got two keyless entry key fobs. Passenger seat's in pretty good shape. It's got kind of the same thing over there on that exit point there. It's just a little bit of wrinkling in the leather from just getting in and out of the seats. Go ahead and pan out and give you a shot of the sunroof. Alright, got the wood grain here around the transmission, automatic transmission. Power outlets here, got your USB, iPod, and auxiliary plug-in with your heated seats. It's your dual climate controls. AM, FM, CD player. Alright, got your leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls. Alright, steering wheel just a little bit chewed up right here. Okay, but like I said, it's got 53,000 miles on a 2009, so you're going to get a little bit of that. But this vehicle will be fairly priced. It'll be competitively priced. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 53,810 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and give you a look at your display here. Alright, here's your AM, FM, CD player. And once again, it does have the Infinity audio. Okay, and then your dual climate controls, your heated seats, power outlet there, USB, auxiliary, your transmission. Alright, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problem there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat leather looks good. No problems back here. Just a little fading right there in the seat, and that's all I see. Just that little spot right there, and you can hardly notice it. Just wanted to point that out to you. Alright, got your center console with the cup holders there. Convenient power outlet back here. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Alright, got the nice hard plastic or rubber protector mat here. Got you some more storage under here, your jacks there. And this will fold back. Okay. More storage there. Alright, everything looks good back here. Got the convenient power outlet right there as well. I'll stand to the side so you can see the depth, but plenty of room back here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Alright, 18-inch alloys. Tires are still in good shape. Brand new set of tires there. Alright, once again, it's a 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited. 53,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in really good shape for an 09. Alright, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.